We have to wait. There's so many snow.
Breaking Dad's equipment.
Huh? Yeah, just move it over here in the middle. So much snow again. Go ahead, Jelly. Come on. Look at the snow. So tall. Go, Jelly.
I'm going. 1, 2, 3.
Woo! So tall. I need to start this. Alaska. Start this one. Oh, shit, so good. I'm gonna start. Let's try it again.
So bumpy. The moon.
Road again.
The moon. Look at it. Guy was going so fast. Bee. Whoa. This is so fun. Am I done?
No, just like radio all the way to your school.
Okay. Wee. Straight line.
There's people right there don't even stop. It's not there. So, see that thing?
Yeah.
Why are you shaking so hard?
I don't know.
The sun is coming out soon.
Yeah, that's what Google said. Wee.
Mountain over there.
Mountains. How beautiful they are. Wee. Mountains. Whoa. Tightly. Oh, that's gonna hurt your eyes.
That's good, Jelly.
The mountains. We're finally at my school. There's the moon. Oh, the moon is gone now. See, look. Look at that beautiful mountain. Look at that. There's so much snow on the top. This is my school. Bear Valley. The stop. This is going so fast.
School.
Now I want to wait until I get to the top.
Oh, okay. Have a good day at school.
Thank you.
Good job, math. This is so cold over here.
That's why I bring my top boots.
What did you say?
Bye-bye.
See you later.
Alligator.
Bye. See you later, baby.
See you later.
Hello po. Ngayon po, pipick upin ko po yung anak ko sa school. Ngayon po, napakaganda ng weather. Napaka-araw po. Pipick upin ko na po ngayon. Bunso ko po. Yan po. Ang buhay dito sa Alaska, napakadaming snow. Pwede po kayong gumawa ng napakadaming halo-halo. Ayan po. Stop lang ako dito. Ayoko dito sa daan dito. Ang dami. Tingnan natin. Oh, too much. Po. Atras ng unti. Dami pong sasakyan. So, dahan-dahan lang. Saan po tayo pupunta? Oh. Wow. Oh, abante. Shit. Ayun po. Free na po. Let's go. Ayan po. That's the weather. Ganda po ngayon. Napaka-araw. Nga lang po, medyo madalas yung daan. But yes. Yeah, medyo madalas pa po yung daan. Po, makikita niyo po yung mountain. Sa ganda ng sobrang init po dito, talagang mainit. But it's still winter po. Pag January na ganito, ang pinakamalamig, at saka sa February po. Anyway po, dito na tayo, malapit na po sa school ng anak ko. Kaya mag-turn tayo dito. Medyo madulas, kaya dahan-dahan. Oh, baka umikot po tayo. Po, sa taas ng bundok ang school ng anak ko. Yan na po. Tingnan niyo po kaganda ang bundok. Teka lang. Teka lang po. Tingnan niyo po kaganda yung bundok. Sobrang puti lahat. Ang liwa-liwanag.